What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Digo coming at you guys with another review. Today we're going to be looking at a pair of dunks that was limited to only 255 pairs. Let's get it. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out so much. Now, this is the box they came in. Personally, I don't believe this is the actual box for them. They are limited to 255 pairs, and you guys will see them. I think this is just like a rep box. It says Nike Dunk Low Premium Desmond. These are in the 13. Possibly could be the box, but I'm not too sure. Because here are the shoes themselves. They are from 2003, so they are older. They are made with premium materials. You can see all the leather. They have really ugly laces, though, I will say. They're like the fat, and they probably were more brown back then, but now they look almost a little orange. And on the end of the laces, sorry if you guys hear that noise in the background. They're always doing construction. It's like really annoying, but let's see if I can get it out for you guys. Here it is. They come with metal tips. Just kind of a nice touch, but these laces are not good for me. And then also, the inside, it's all leather. You have a leather inside right here. You have a leather insole. Let's see if I can. These are really stiff. They weren't really worn that much. Like I said, they were sold to me as coming from PJ Tucker, like closet, but I'm not too sure. This is a really premium insole, but I think it's stuck down. Unless there's more. Let's see, there is a little more. They got like bags in here. See if I can get it for you guys. Alright. Holy crap. After a while. There you go. It's interesting that they have it like this. This is how they do most of their newer shoes. Let's see what the date says on here. It says 2004. Very premium insole. You see like all the stitching. These are actually extremely high quality. And for a lot of people that like dunks, I think this would be a great thing to add to your collection. Personally, I'm not a fan of dunks. Ended up trading for these. Just happened to grab them. I don't know if it's something I'm going to keep or if it's something I'm going to move yet, personally. It is cool to add to the collection and definitely something dope to show you guys just because it's a different, unique shoe. So let me show you the outside. If I have the Oregon video out already, then this is kind of similar. It looks like a laser pack, like they took it into like the Nike studios and then the Nike Innovation Kitchen and just did a laser engraving, which right here, it says 208 out of 255. So these are pretty limited. I'm sure most people have not seen them. Pretty much an all-white dunk with like brown hints in the leather inside, and then of course the laces as well. Here are the bottoms. They're not really worn that much, like I said. You can kind of tell from the toe box area, like how clean they are, which is definitely insane. You know, to get something like this in my closet. Like I said, I don't know if they came from PJ Tucker's closet, but that's what I was just told. Let me show you the other shoe. I'm gonna get this box off me. It's weird. They have like they kind of have a funny smell because they're an older shoe. I also don't know if it was like from someone that was like smoking cigarettes or if it was just like because the leather is so old. It just has a unique smell. On the tongue here, you have an I and a K. It's like a K and then you just do like an I kind of in there, and then it has an interesting like Nike swoosh right there. So just I guess to represent Nike. This Nike swoosh right here is all leather. Other than that, there's like no prints on this one. Definitely a super unique shoe. You guys see the bottom of this one. I like how they did them kind of different, but I think more designs on them would have been a little cooler. Let me know what you guys think of these. Definitely a super interesting shoe. They have a little bit of yellowing, and like I said, they are old. These are definitely in great shape from you know, from the years. Definitely, if this is almost a 20-year-old shoe, and it has really not that many flaws. A lot of stuff looks like it could just be cleaned up. And then also the materials and the quality on this are insane. These are definitely made at a higher quality than the newer Jordans and newer Dunks, in my personal opinion. These are literally insane, and they feel super comfortable. So there's a chance that I may keep these just because how different they are, and they definitely flow with the channel. Let me know what you guys think. I will drop you guys the product number I see from that in here, just in case. Maybe it is an actual shoe that dropped and they just were really limited, or it's maybe not that box. But I'll let you guys know. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys check out the other videos on the channel. I hope you guys are liking the different content. I'm trying to bring you guys video at least Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It's a little busy, so I'm kind of pushing through. And like I said, I hope you guys are really enjoying. Thank you for watching. I'm out.